Hi, and this is Surprise Let's Play. I wanted to start off this video with an apology. I am really sorry that I have kind of been not very much there and putting much content out this last year. So this year I'm going to try to do a lot better. I have been struggling with my mental health, but I've still been putting out videos, so I'm all right. It's when I don't put any out that like anyone should worry. So everything's fine in my life. Things are moving forward. Goals are getting met. They're close to being met. There's some I'm still working on, and basically all in all, I still have hope to have a great life. So my mental health is definitely improving. I wanted to go over today the Rainbow High Creative Crystal dolls, and I will be doing their gimmick in a little short. So we're just gonna go over what the dolls look like, and also I might restyle them so we could have like a cute picture at the end of what they look like, because some of the clothes are like plastic and molded instead of like fabric, but that's okay. I'm not going to complain, because I swear every time someone complains, Rainbow High takes something else away from us. So let's just talk about these dolls and see what they are like right now. Okay, I am going to try my very best to be as positive as I can about this lineup of dolls. So I did pick these two because they were my favorite in the lineup. However, I am going to be rebodying them. I might eye swap them, and I will be redressing them. So definitely follow my Instagram. It's the same handle as I have here. If you want to see that, just look at within the next couple of days, they should be up. And then I should hopefully have the other dolls to review too, to see what they're like as well. But I was opening up Amaya and her dress like popped off. Like, it's this plastic piece, well, two plastic pieces, and I mean, I like it and all, but why, and I don't know, maybe I didn't have it snapped on right, who knows, but it popped off and it made me really sad. However, I do like her hoodie. This is something I would put on one of the other dolls. Amaya is just too cute to be in something like this, chains, like that's not really Amaya, especially her little look. But here's my Amaya. I'm not sure what's going on with this hair, but it's going on, that's for sure. I could probably, I don't even know. I guess Amaya gets to be crazy, but she is really cute. I like her eye makeup, definitely super girly, purple, I don't know where I got that from, but anyway, pink and blue. I do love her hair, obviously not the box hair part, but the colors in it. I think she's really cute. This is a really cute doll. I love her face. I don't mind that I could rebody this doll, just hopefully I don't break that other body, but it is really a little inconvenient, like purchasing secondhand bodies or like full price dolls if you can find them for their bodies, because for this doll I'm gonna have to get a crystal. Like, I only have one crystal. I thought I had two, but I don't. So here are Amaya's shoes. I think they're really cute. They kind of remind me a little bit of like something Priscilla would wear, so I really want to stick these on Priscilla. We will go over the next doll, and she is absolutely adorable. I love that none of her clothes are molded on. She does have some painted on details with her shoes, so there's no complaints there. Her hair is a little bit poor quality, and I'm nervous because I'm not sure how it's going to react if I boil wash it, but I'm definitely going to be boil washing it to see if we could get these curls a little bit more defined. You know how this is going out like that, like we could just give her a little bit better of a curl. Her shirt is really cute. It looks like something that you would wear going golfing, or maybe to like, I don't know, since it's Rainbow Festival. This looks like a skirt that should have been on Amaya. Like, don't you agree? We should put this skirt on Amaya for sure. And I did show you her shoes. This doll I will most likely be eye swapping because she does have like the brown eyes, and I think that like a purple would look good. Who knows? They might grow on me. They do not have the wrist articulation, unfortunately, so this body is just gonna go in the trash. The landfill is going to get a little bit higher, and I'm gonna feel a little bit better, but anyways, if you want to see my short for doing these things, I just don't want to do them right now because I am not prepared to be frustrated. I just wanted to enjoy the dolls. I wanted to open up the dolls, play with them, touch their hair, see what they were all about. And we're going to take our time putting this resin together. And fun little opinion of my own, I have a 10-year-old child, and her motor skills, like she's smart, like she's not behind or anything like that, but her motor skills and her friends' motor skills, when they're playing with the Miniverse resin, they're getting it all over their hands, they're touching their face, their hair. I'm like, oh my gosh. I did let them play with the oh my gosh, the bath bombs and the sugar scrub and the soap because that didn't have any resin in it. And these little whatever, we're getting on Miniverse topic, but anyway, I do not think that resin should be given to kids. I honestly do think that this resin situation should have been like in a fashion pack, so it's like an option. So we could have had like better quality with our dolls, whether that's articulation or a second outfit or both like we used to get, and then this would be an option because I could see parents like not wanting to get the doll for their child because it has this resin crap in it. So anyway, that's just my 2 cents in it, but if you want to see more videos, definitely comment below, click subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss these videos. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. I have tons of dolls that I need to review. I have toys that I need to review. I've just been, like I said in the beginning of this video, just not mentally there. So I'm gonna try a lot harder this year, but I'm gonna need your guys' help. I need your guys' motivation and ideas about what to put out. So anyways, without further ado, follow my Instagram and stay tuned for the short I'm gonna put out with these resin pieces. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you watching it and supporting me. That is it for this video. I hope you liked it, and thank you again so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.